Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we've done another Starline i96 Pro with a GPS tracker, and we've added on some features just to show you the capabilities of the i96, as well as just a Bluetooth canvas immobiliser with push sequence disarm. So what we've done here is we've actually turned on features that the Starline can do, so as the customer walks away out of Bluetooth range, you'll see it will lift the windows, lock the doors and turn on the factory fit alarm. So I'm going to get my colleague now to just come out of the vehicle. And as you see, as he starts to come out of the vehicle and the Starline key tag app goes out of range, you'll see the actual vehicle has just locked, lifted the windows up and armed the factory fitted alarm. So just for video purposes, we've actually enabled a feature just to arm and walk away. And obviously the customer's a bit paranoid about obviously when he gets too close to it, or if he wants to keep the range close. We've turned off the disarm feature, so all he does is now, as long as his original key's in his pocket, it just approaches the vehicle, taps it the unlock and jumps out and jumps into the vehicle. So let's just show you that now. He's approaching the vehicle and now he's using the original key, gets in the vehicle. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to show you this one more time. So just to show you again how it works. So my colleague's going to drop the windows. He's going to drop the windows, my colleague. So the windows are coming down now. He's going to close the door and start to walk away from the vehicle with his Bluetooth phone out of range. So you'll see shortly, you see the tag is leaving it. The windows are starting to lift. And as the windows lift, the vehicle will lock and arm. Really straightforward, really simple to use. So now we're just going to go back to the standard features of the Starline i96 Pro, just to show how it works normally, but I don't know any other product at the moment that people are using it in this way. Also, one other thing that we actually didn't show you, so if we've got the Starline key app and it's within Bluetooth range, you can just tap it, see the vehicle just unlocks, okay, and you can lock it through the app. The only time you would use this is, for example, if you were to walk away from the vehicle and you left your keys in the car, or the battery went flat in the remote control, you want to jump in the vehicle, just use the app. Obviously, you know, it's got to be paired to the vehicle. So now I'm just going to show you the standard procedures of how the Starline works in terms of immobilising. So we've now just jumped into the vehicle and we're just going to show you how the Starline works. So on this particular vehicle, we've done two forms of immobilisation, digital and analog. So the customer just now jumps in without his foot on the brake, goes through his standard push sequence, which on here we've done something very simple. You'll hear a melody. If you passed authorization, start the vehicle. Okay. If we now turn off the ignition, leave it for about 10 seconds, just to show you how it actually immobilizes. So if someone grabbed the keys or cloned the key and tried to start it, this is what will try and happen. So vehicle now will not start. Foot on the brakes, trying to hit the start button, and it just won't start. Okay. Also, on this particular vehicle, we've actually given him a tracker, a live tracker, which is app-based. So at any particular time, if he wants to know where the vehicle is, he can see it through this app. Okay, there it is. Very straightforward to use. Just jump in the app. You can also put this app on any phone and on a PC. Obviously, it needs an ID and a password. Hope you found this quick video helpful. My name's Otto. I've done it in association with Immobiliser Fit, Emilio. Number to me is 028 906 0478, 028 906 0478, and my colleague's number is
0208 212 7393.
Thank you. Bye bye.